Hey, I'm in a 2013 Nissan Pathfinder, and today I'm going to show you that power steering fluid. So first you open the hood and turn the vehicle off. About over here is your power steering fluid reservoir. And on the side you see a minimum line and a maximum line. You don't want it filled all the way to the top. There's supposed to be a little air gap. That said, double check your owner's manual or a good online source that the liquid you've got is the best fit for your particular make and model. But from here, just unscrew it, and then either with a funnel or straight from your liquid jug, fill as needed till you're around the max. And once you're done, screw this back on nice and tight. And then I would double check around this whole system here through all the lines, make sure there's no leak, because it's not a system you typically need to add to very often. But yeah, double check. Hopefully you're all set on that. But I hope this was helpful, and hope you have a wonderful day.